Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to see Spotify Wrapped in Android. So first up, you just need to make sure that your Spotify is up to date. Go to Google Play Store and then go to the search box and type right here Spotify. And then tap on this application. So you're going to tap on update. So if an update shows up here, just make sure to update your Spotify. Now, once you've done updating your Spotify app, just need to open. And so basically here you will find the wrap feature on your Spotify. But if you don't see that Spotify, you're going to go to the search icon and search on the search box wrapped. And basically you will find all your top songs from the year that you started using your Spotify. So as you can see here, you'll find your top songs basically from 2022 and 2023. So you're going to just tap on the search icon right here at the bottom. Then you will see all the rap songs from that year. So that's all. That's how you basically see your Spotify Wrapped on your Android phone. So thank you for watching. So if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.